Are you a welder, millwright, journeyman ironworker, and you're willing to travel to get some of this money right now? There's a great need for people like us. My name is Joe Brown. Most everybody who know me call me Phoenix. I'm an independent welder and an independent welding recruiter, and I'm trying to help fill the gaps for guys like us. So, this is free. All you have to do is reach out to me, email me, or call me at 480-430-6591, or email me at hogonwelding@gmail.com. That's HOGON welding@gmail.com, and get signed up. Let me get you in my database so that way when we get these jobs and these calls, I can reach out to you. There's money out here. You want to travel, you really want to get some money, you want to build your business or stay independent, give me a call. Let's network and